Hello to everyone. Today we are on another tutorial that's called your bar graph and how we can use this bar graph or a multi bar graph in your projects or in our apps because of in some apps we need some calculations on our dashboards and weekly or a monthly and yearly we have to show some data. So how we can use this, so for that, first we have to go for this your Gradle. On the Gradle, you have to add this repositories in Maven, your Jetpack, okay. And one more thing you have to add, that is your compile MPAndroidChart. So basically today we have to work on this MPAndroidChart and how we can use it. So first these two things you have to add on the Gradle and then sync it. If everything is fine, come on your activity main XML. Here I have to show the chart and how you can show that. Use this your com and you can see that there is a multi kind of charts with there, and so we have to use the bar chart and use the match parent. I want the match parent and the match parent, and I have to put some ID be there, and ID is your bar chart, okay. So that is fine. Now on the main activity we have to use this bar chart. The two important things we need it. One is your bar chart, and for this bar chart we need a bar data, okay. So these two things will be very important and we have to work on this. So now here this is your bar chart, and first we have to check this bar chart. We have find view by id dot id dot, this is your bar chart. Yeah, that's fine. So for bar chart, what is the basic thing we have to work? One is we need x values and the other thing we need bar values. These two things we need it, I think so. So what to do for that? For this bar data, we can say it is a new bar data, and under that we think we have a two main list. So this is a constructor of the bar data in which we have to apply two array list. So for that we have two methods we have to work on. So first is your get x values and get bar values. You can give your name to these methods. These are simple methods that return the array list. So this is your get x values and get bar values. To do these two things we have to return in the form of array list. So for that, come on that point, get x values, enter and say yes, we have to create the get x values, okay. So here we need a list, and which kind of list we want. This is your array list, and array list of type strings, that is fine. And for get bar values we create also with the method, and that also with the bar set values. This is your again array list, and in this list we have to return some bar data set values because of we have to make a set. So first I have to create a set, a small set for that. So if you think that I have to show some week data, means there will be some report on the Monday, Tuesday, and it vary, or a rating. I have to give some rating of someone, that the work rating be 1, 2, 3 according to the potential. So how we give the ratings using this bar chart. So for that you need a array list bar data set and your bar data sets, okay. So that is, and the other thing we need it array list a string form of x values, make it as new array list now, and put this x values be as add. You have to add whatever you want to say. Suggest if I say if you, the things been I mean actually we have to show the points be there, so I don't want to give the 0 1 2 3 4 this kind of indexing. I want to show something x values be as a labels Monday, Tuesday, likewise that. So we have to put that x values and return that array. So this is on Monday, so I have to show Monday rating, then copy paste. This is your Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, this is Friday, this is Saturday, and this is Sunday. Okay, and then return this x values be here. So this is our first method B. So we have 7 values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So whenever we create the data set, under the 7 values we have to pass our bar values. Okay, so that is an important. So for that there is a most important thing that is called here okay. So do one thing, first you have to create one more array list that is called here bar entries. Okay, so we have to put some entries inside it and give it the bar entries. That's called your new array list. Okay, so for the bar entries we need some bar values. So this is your bar entries new bar entry, and the constructor of these entries be here. If you see that be, we have to put some float values that fill be in the form of bars, and then x values where we have to have a counter. That means for the first we have to put this bar, for the second we have to put the second bar, we have to put third bar, likewise that. So because of your 7, so we have to 0 to 6 we have to apply all the bars with here. Okay, so bar entry b means if I say it is a 2.0 f comma on the 0 position, so it show you automatically with the value, and here it is indexing if you see on my screen. Okay, and copy and paste it because of we have a 7 entries. So say bar entry 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and here will some changes on our data because of some up, rise, down, lot of things with you. Say 5, say 4, say 9, say 3, likewise that, and 7 values on indexing be your 2 3 is regular, 4 because of it is indexing. Okay, 5 and 6. So here we show you, see this is your likewise this is your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, likewise this I have to create, I want to create like this chart. Okay, and these be the values up and downs on the form of bar. So this is very simple. Okay, now we have to add these bar entries in your first bar data set. This is your bar data set is equals to new bar data set. This is your bar entries comma your label, and here label is your week But before that, what we have to add to fill this bar data set, we have to add these bar entries. So here you have to put bar entries dot add your bar entry 1, and likewise that we have to fill all the bar entries, so we can fill our bar data set. So this is your 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, and then for this bar data set we have to put it in your main bar data sets. So for you can use the bar data sets be your new array list, and bar data sets dot add your bar data set. Okay, and you have to return these sets to fill this bar data set into your bar data. Okay, now for bar chart, what we have to show, we have to set our data, and that is your bar data. Okay, I'm not doing any animation at this time. I just simply show to you what is the data, and then later I will show you, I will explain you other things and other features of this chart. So first we have to see that which kind of chart it is on a screen. It's running Gradle. It build it. Okay, so we'll see it with the 0 errors and 0 warnings. Yeah, so this is very simple chart. If you see that the points, if you match this is your 2815493, 2815493. It's simple, and up to 10, 0 to 10 it showed you, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, these things we can replace it on the below, but at this time just showing to you how we can use it. Okay, now we have to work some features of this, just like I want to be add bar chart at set background color. I want it is a gray, and one more thing, one bar chart dot set grid background color dot dark gray. See here, because of here this is the background and this is a grid background. Okay, this outer be your background and this is your grid background, so both I want to change it, and also I want to change these bar colors. So we'll show you here, bar data set dot set color, you have to set, I want be a red color, okay, of the bar. So this simple, and I want to be the bar chart dot animation. So I want animation for both X and Y. So what to do, I have to put the timer, that's fine. And because of sometimes we need to redraw it, so for that, you know well, that is invalidate features. If redraw or something we need it, we can first invalidate it. Let's see the background of this chart. So now you can see that this is the animation on the chart. Lovely. Now if you want to change these colors, likewise you can change it also. If I say bar data dot set value text color dot white, I want to show in a white. Okay, so that's it. And the other things you can change it, likewise. Okay, one more thing, that is bar chart dot get x-axis dot set text color dot white. Okay, so let's see. So a lot of features in this bar chart, so I mean it's very easy to build and put in your applications. And there'll be a lot of other charts also, like a pie chart, and that I will explain in the tutorials, other videos. For today I want to explain you how you can make your, you can see the white text be there, and this be your simple animated bar chart. This is your description. If you want to add something in a description, like bar chart dot set description, so you can add it just like I want to say it is a mood chart or whatever you want it. So yeah, we'll see it. Okay, so here you can see this is a mood chart. Okay, so this is very simple. And now if I want to add some values that is come from your JSON or your array, dynamic array list, so what to do for that, you just make that likewise a float means more array. Okay, and if I want to create the array like this, I want to be the 4.0f and 1.0f, means this kind of values I am getting from the backend. 0f, 5.0f, 9.0f, and 6.0f. How much values? 1 2 3 4 5 6. One more I need to add it, that is okay, 7.0f. So these be your mood arrays. So what to do? Nothing, just simple. You go for again this bar values. I don't want to add these things. For this, what to do? For you have to apply for int I is equals to 0, I is less than your mood array dot length, and I plus plus, and inside that we have to add these bar entries. So say bar entries dot add new bar entry, that is one is in a mood array in a form of float, that is I, and the other thing is indexing. Okay, so that's very easy. And then again the same thing be there, because of the bar data set we have to add these bar entries be here. Okay, and now red color is just be, I have to change some other like blue. Okay, now we have to check that. You also be gives your custom colors be here. Sober colors which looks good in a chart, but because of just explaining how to do that, so can use anything. Yeah, you can see it, that's busy. So if you see the dynamic data 4135967, 4135967, okay. So this is your mood chart. So these are single bar lines, but what happen if there be some uh, multi-lines bars be in there? In that case, what to do that, if I give me the example, just if a person like you, like me, we have daily mood changes. This time we have a ratings, like on a Monday I'm very happy, so I'm giving a rating to 10 or 9, but little bit sad, so I'm getting the rating on that day 1. So if I making a or irritation be there, so if I want to do three kind of mood, just like irritation mood, happy mood, and your uh, angry or depressive, so I have to show by the chart. So what to do, this is your first, this called happy mood, and make a two more slots be there, and this is called your happy mood, and we can say it is your angry mood, and this is your irritate mood, likewise. Okay, so we'll change the other bar values. This is your 6, 9, 3, 1, 8, 5. The same irritation values means it high, it is little bit 8, sorry, make it 4, make it 6, make it 2, this is 4, and 5, and this is 3, likewise. So we have three kind of modes, so I have to create three bar lines, three different colors of bar lines which show the weekly mood. Okay, so first is your happy mood, happy mood, happy mood. Okay, now for that, again we have to copy paste, and here second mode is your angry, and third is irritated. So this is your angry mode, angry mode, and this is your irritate mode, irritate mode. Okay, so these three modes we have to put it on the entries, and here, but with the entries, we three kind of entries we have to use. First is your bar entries 1, because of three kind of modes we have, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is our 1, 2, 3, three kind of entries we have to add, and this is your first, because of we have to put the first mode is happy, and three sets we need it, set 1, set 2, and set 3. This is your second entry. For the second entry I want angry mood, and the third set we have to put it irritate mode. Okay, so we have a three sets. So what to do for that, bar data set 1 color blue, set to 1. I want to change the color green, and color yellow. And bar data sets, we have to add these threes also. Bar data set 2, 3. Okay, so now, and then return these things, and I have to show these threes in the with these three colors. Okay, and the same thing for the weekly we have to show, and here we have values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 values for the week. So we'll see which kind of move today and by the chart. So we can fetch the data yearly by that, just like if I want to fetch the data from 90 to 98, we can show it by the ratings. You can see that it's a lovely. Okay, but here I think there is some color issue. First we'll see the colors. Okay, this is your second color, this is your third color. Okay, second color, third color. Now let's see. So it's very lovely. It's in a happy mood, angry mood, irritate mood, three kind of moods. On a Monday, the rating of the mood of irritate is too much, little bit angry, happy. Likewise, the 1 to 10, if we give the rating to our mood on the Tuesday, likewise this on a Wednesday, Thursday. So we can see the last week mood. We can put our daily mood on our app and can see by the chart here on the past month where this mood is very happy. I was very happy these days. So that's me. Simple app function on in the form of graph. I mean, I want to explain. So I think it's very easy. You can check it by your own way, and on the second time we'll show to you the pie chart and the other charts of Android. Also be the students who working on the Swift, you can also be see that how can interact with the Swift charts. So that also in my next tutorials I will show the Swift charts also. So thank you so much.